Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to explain how you can update multiple task record in Salesforce, and for this we are going to use the Salesforce data loader tool. So first let me take you to the task object where we will see what fields we are going to update. So right now I'm on the setup page of Salesforce Lightning, and from the app launcher I will navigate to the task. So this is the task object. So here in the task window you can see these are the task record that we have created. So for example we have this task client meet, and when you have to edit this record, then you have to first open the task in the edit mode, and in the edit window you have to edit the values that you want to change, and after this you have to simply click on the save to apply the changes. So this method is fine when you have to update a small number of tasks, but for example when you have large number of task record to update, then this approach will consume a lot of time. So for this kind of bulk data operation we have Salesforce data loader tool that we are going to use in this example to update the task records. And before starting the bulk data operation, I would like to introduce our newly launched Salesforce admin course, and I will also give the course link in the description. So this is our admin course with 10 modules and 50 plus hours of video content, and also you will get the PDFs and solution. And once you access this course, you will have the access for the lifetime. So these are the modules that you can see over here. And as of now, we have kept the price for this course is $199, and you can buy this course from the link that I have mentioned in the description. So let's move back to the topic. So now I have opened the Salesforce data loader tool, and this is how the UI of data loader look like. So here you will see various data operations: insert, update, upsert, delete, undelete, export, and export all. So in this data operation, we are going to update the task record. So when we update any of the object record using the Salesforce data loader, we need to create a CSV file, including the ID and the information that we want to update. So there are two methods to create that CSV file. Either you can manually create that CSV file. So for example, this is the custom file that I've created for a different data operation. So the file using which you are going to update any record must include the record ID and name field for the reference, and then the fields that you want to update. And another method to create a CSV file is using the Salesforce export operation. So this export operation will give you a CSV file with the information that you have exported, and you can update that information and again update it using the data loader. So how we are going to do it? So for the data export, you have to click on the export button, and here I have to log in with my credentials. So in this data operation, we are going to update the task object records. So we will select the task object, and then we have to select the location for the extract file. So I will name it as task extract, and then we have to click on the next button. And now in this window we have to select the query fields. So here you must select the fields that you want to update, and as I've told you that you must need the ID of the record to update it. So here we are going to get the task ID. So here I have selected the field ID, who ID, and is closed date. So is closed is going to display the boolean value of the task, that is either the task is closed or open. So another field that I'm going to update here is the description of the tasks. And also you can apply the query filters. For example, I want to update the tasks that were created after August 2024. So for that I can apply query filter as field created date, and value will be greater than, and here we have to enter the date value, so it will be like, and then we have to click on the button add condition. So as we click on the button add condition, we will get this filter query that select is closed description from task. So here ID field is not there, so again I will select who ID and the ID field, and then we will click on the finish button and then click yes to proceed. So here I will correct the date format according to the org setting. So here I have corrected the query and adjusted the date format, and also for the reference of time I have added this value over here. And after this we will click on the finish button and here click yes to proceed. So after applying to the date filter, I have got 753 records. So here I will click on the button view extraction, and then here we will open this file in the external program. So in this example, we are going to update the case status, that is case is closed or open. So when the value is false, the case is open, and when the value will be true, then the case will be closed. So here I'm going to update the value as true to make this case as closed. And like this, I'm going to update multiple records. And for the test purpose, I'm going to add the description likewise. So as of now, I have kept only this many records that I'm going to update using the data loader. And after making the changes in the CSV file, you have to save this file in the CSV format and make sure the location where you save the CSV file should be accessible to the data loader. So now I'm going to close the previous data operation and then we are going to perform the data update operation. So using the CSV file that we have created right now, I'm going to perform the update operation. For that, click on the update button. And now here in the objects, we have to select the task object. So after selecting the object, we have to select the CSV file that we have created right now. So this is the CSV file and here we have to click on the open to upload the file. And then we have to click on the next button and here you will see the data loader will initialize the CSV file that we have created. So here you have to click on the OK button to proceed. So in the mapping window, we have to map the CSV header columns with the object field names. So in this example, we can see the two fields are mapped, that is description and the ID. So if any of the field is not mapped, then you have to click on the button create or edit a map. So the column that is not mapped is closed. That is the closed status of case. So here we are going to map the status with the is closed field and then click on the OK button and here click next to proceed. And at last click on the finish button and here click yes to proceed. So here we got 30 full successful updates. And now in the CSV viewer of the Salesforce data loader, we can see the case status is updated according to the values that we have provided. So this is how you can update case records in bulk using the Salesforce data loader tool. So I hope that you have understood whatever I have explained in the video. And if you have liked this video, then please do like, share and subscribe us. And do not forget to hit the bell icon to get regular updates of our upcoming YouTube videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.